Now let's compare the difference between two flow rates. One, say at 4,500 that we looked at before, and one that's around 1,500 that we'll look at now. And we'll compare the two and see if we can't illustrate the benefits of using this map. So if we come over here to our first example, and someone fell in at the Gregg Street Bridge, and they're being swept down. 10 minutes to the Rock Boulevard, another 10 minutes here, and 10 minutes gets them down to the McCarran Bridge and the anchor points that are set up there. So that's a total of 30 minutes, because you have 1, 2, 3 lines. Pretty straightforward on that. 30 minutes. But let's suppose now that the flow rate is 1,500 and they've fallen in at the same place. Okay? So this is about, it's between two lines, a little over halfway. So let's say that takes 4 minutes to get to this first line. So remember that 4 minutes. That's 4 minutes to get from here to here. Okay? So from this point they have 10, 20, 30, 40, plus another 5 or 6 minutes there. So that's 45, plus the original 4. That's about 50 minutes at the lower flow rate to go for the same 2 points. That's another 20 minutes of time that they would be spending in the river. That's another 20 minutes of being banged around on rocks. That's another 20 minutes of being submerged in very cold runoff and things like that. So with that 20 minutes, you might want to make the decision, instead of sending downstream containment all the way down to the McCarran Bridge is what we normally do, maybe send them to Coney Island, which is right here. Or maybe even if you got the call fast enough, to Marietta, which is right here. So you don't have to necessarily go to the same places. This is like 25 minutes to Marietta way, and it was 30 minutes up here on this one to get to the McCarran Bridge. If you can reach them and you can comfortably get there, set up your downstream containment on Marietta, near Marietta, and you've saved that victim a lot of river time and a lot of pain and a lot of exposure to the dangers of the river. That is the biggest advantage that we have to using this system.